Hello everyone. I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of network connection problem on Clapper. You will go to settings. Here. This first page of settings, you will click here. After that, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you will search about the application of Clapper and you will click. Here in this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then in this page you will click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.